What's the meaning of beastliness? Beastliness. Beastliness.
Beastliness. Beastliness. Beastliness is a noun that refers to the quality or behavior of being like a beast or animal, typically characterized by cruelty, brutality, violence, and lack of self-control. This term suggests a lack of humanity and civilized behavior, and can be used to describe both individuals and situations. Beastliness can manifest in physical actions, such as acts of aggression or violence towards others, or in more abstract ways, such as excessive greed or selfishness. In general, beastliness is a negative characteristic that is often associated with lack of empathy and disregard for the well-being of others.